So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here to show you how to prepare kachumbari. And if today is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe and share the video. So as you can see, this is my kachumbari is ready. So this is onion. I've sliced the onion, and I will wash the onion because if you don't want that strong taste of the onion, I hope you understand what I mean. So you can use salt too. You can see I'm adding salt, and I'm going to clean it. Then I will rinse the onion with water. Then I will add it in the salad. So as you can see, this is my onion. I wash it with salt and water, so it doesn't have that strong taste which it can leave it in your mouth. So I will add it in the salad, and you're going to add some salt. And this is the time you're going to squeeze your lemon. And if you like, you can add a little oil so that your salad will not be that too much dry.